Welcome to Finassets. If you're looking for a low-fee crypto payment gateway for e-commerce, this video is for you. Finassets was founded in 2021 and has been on the market for 5 years. This experience makes it a reliable choice for online businesses searching for professional crypto payment solutions. So why Finassets? One reason is lower fees. Finassets offers a progressive fee model, with transaction fees starting at 0.4% and going down to just 0.2% based on your monthly transaction volume. As your business grows, your fees decrease automatically. Beyond low processing fees, Finassets provides an exclusive TRON energy saving system. This feature helps businesses save more than 50% on network fees. It's especially valuable for companies processing high-volume transactions. If your business uses the stablecoin USDT TRC20 for payments, Finassets can be one of the most cost-efficient options on the market. But fees aren't the only reason to choose Finassets. It supports a wide range of business tools, including payment buttons, crypto invoicing, mass payouts, and full API integration. You also get crypto to fiat auto conversion, custody services, and an integrated exchange. Everything you need to manage crypto payments in one place. And when it comes to security, Finassets doesn't compromise. Your data and funds are safeguarded using MPC cryptography, two-factor authentication, firewalls, and IP whitelisting, giving you enterprise-level protection. Still not sure if Finassets is the right fit for your business? Try the Finassets Crypto Payment Gateway demo. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials from Finassets.